Hello students, this is my third class. In the second class, we covered the portion trigonometric functions of acute angles. In that topic, we studied about the trigonometric functions sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta and the relation between them. And we proved three important identities: sin squared theta plus cos squared theta is equal to 1 plus tan squared theta is equal to sec squared theta, and 1 plus cot squared theta is equal to cosec squared theta. And we solved 5 problems relating to the trigonometric functions. In this class, we solve more problems related to trigonometric functions. Okay. This is the 6th problem. Here left hand side is sin A, tan A, cosec squared A, and right hand side is sec A. Prove that the left hand side is equal to right hand side. Take the left hand side. Left hand side is sin A into tan A. There is a result for tan A. Tan A is same as sin A by cos A. Cosec squared. Cosec is the reciprocal of sine. Therefore, cosec A is 1 by sin A, or 1 by cosec A is equal to sin A. Therefore, 1 by cosec squared A is equal to sin squared A. Here cosec squared A, cosec is equal to 1 by sin A. Therefore, cosec squared A is equal to 1 by sin squared A. Sin A into sin A. Sin A into sin A is sin squared A, and this sin squared A got cancelled. Then remaining 1 by cos A. 1 by cos A is equal to sec A. This is the right hand side. Here the problem is sin x into cosec x minus sin x is equal to cos square. Here the left hand side is sin x into cosec x minus sin x. Open the bracket. That is, multiply these two terms by sin x. Therefore, sin x into cosec x minus sin x into sin x, sin squared x. Cosec x is 1 by sin x, reciprocal of sin x. Cosec x is 1 by sin x minus sin squared x. Sin x got cancelled. Answer 1 minus sin squared x. This is the first identity. 1 minus sin squared x is cos squared x. This is the right hand side. Eighth problem, prove that sec squared theta plus cosec squared theta is equal to sec squared theta into cosec squared theta. First, take the left hand side. Left hand side is equal to sec is the reciprocal of cos. Therefore, sec squared theta is 1 by cos squared theta plus cosec is the reciprocal of sine. Therefore, cosec squared theta is 1 by sin squared theta. Sec squared theta is 1 by cos squared theta. Cosec squared theta is 1 by sin squared theta. Is equal to, this is a fraction, addition of two fractions. The simplification technique is cross multiplication technique. Now multiply 1 and sin squared theta. 1 into sin squared theta is sin squared theta. The symbol is plus. Then 1 into cross multiplication, 1 into cos squared theta. 1 into cos squared theta is cos squared theta divided by cos squared theta product of the denominator divided by product of the denominator. Denominator cos squared theta sin squared theta, therefore cos squared theta into sin squared theta. This is the first identity. Sin squared theta plus cos squared theta is equal to 1 by cos squared theta into sin squared theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. 1 by cos theta is sec theta. Therefore 1 by cos squared theta is sec squared theta. 1 by sin squared theta. 1 by sin squared theta is cosec squared theta. This is the right hand side. So ninth problem, prove that 1 plus cos theta by sin theta is equal to sin theta by 1 minus cos theta. Take the left side, 1 plus cos theta by sin theta, which is equal to, here 1 plus cos theta, here sin theta. Conjugate of 1 plus cos theta is 1 minus cos theta. Therefore multiply the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of the numerator. Numerator is 1 plus cos theta, conjugate of 1 plus cos theta is 1 minus cos theta. Therefore multiply 1 minus cos theta in the numerator and the denominator. This is A, this is B. This is A plus B. This is A minus B. A plus B into A minus B is A squared minus B squared. Treat 1 as A and treat cos theta as B. Therefore this portion is A plus B. This portion is A minus B. This algebraic identity. A plus B into A minus B is A squared minus B squared. Is equal to A is 1. 1 squared is 1 minus cos theta squared. Cos squared theta. Divided by sin theta into 1 minus cos theta. This is the fundamental result. 1 minus cos squared theta is sin squared theta is equal to sin squared theta by sin theta into 1 minus cos theta. 1 sin theta got cancelled. Here remaining sin theta. Therefore sin theta by 1 minus cos theta. This is the right hand side. Next problem, prove that sin theta by 1 plus cos theta plus 1 plus cos theta by sin theta is equal to 2 cosec theta. Here in the left hand side, addition of two fractions. Therefore technique for simplification is cross multiplication. Left hand side is equal to cross multiply sin theta and sin theta. This one cross multiplication. Sin theta into sin theta is sin squared theta. Plus then cross multiply these two terms. 1 plus cos theta and 1 plus cos theta. 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta is 1 plus cos theta the whole square. Divided by 1 plus cos theta into sin theta. Then simplify the numerator. The numerator, this is A, this is B, therefore A plus B the whole square. This is A plus B the whole square. Treat 1 as A and cos theta as B, we get A plus B the whole square. This is again one algebraic identity. Answer is A plus B the whole square is A squared plus 2AB plus B squared. Square of the first term plus twice the product of the two terms and the square of the second term. A squared plus 2AB plus B squared. It's important algebraic identity. Now apply that identity here. is equal to sin squared theta plus this a plus b the whole square. A plus b the whole square is a squared. Here a is 1, therefore 1 squared. 1 squared is 1 plus 2 ab a1 b cos theta. Sorry, cos theta plus b squared. B is cos theta. Cos squared theta divided by 1 plus cos theta into sin theta. Here sin squared theta, here cos squared theta. The symbol is, connecting symbol is plus. Therefore sin squared theta plus cos squared theta. Sin squared theta plus cos squared theta is 1 is equal to sin squared theta plus cos squared theta 1 plus here also 1 plus 2 cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta into sin theta is equal to, here 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 2 cos theta by denominator. Here 2 common, take 2 outside, 2 into here 1 plus here cos theta divided by denominator is 1 plus cos theta into sin theta. 1 plus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta got cancelled. Remaining 2 divided by sin theta. 1 by sin theta is cosec theta. Therefore 2 into cosec theta. Just the answer. This is the right answer.